Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Thomas and welcome back to my Automation Journey series. Now, within this series, I've been documenting my growth as a recently graduated IT student needing to learn Ansible to succeed within my new role. Now, over these last few weeks, I've been working hands-on with Ansible, and I first started out with the CLI to just build some foundational knowledge for myself. But now I'm starting to scale up, meaning that I'm working with larger teams, collaborating within my enterprise environments, and just overall automating at a much larger scale. That shift means that I can't just keep relying on simple one-off playbooks anymore, and that I need reusable modular content that teams can share, version, and trust. So this is where Ansible Content Collections come into the picture. And essentially, they will allow automation to just be much more standardized, distributed, and integrated across the organization. In this video, I'll be diving into what content collections are, why they matter, and how to build one from scratch. So here's a quick look at the structure of an Ansible content collection. And you can think of it as like a well-organized automation toolkit. So at the top, you have docs, which is for documentation, and galaxy.yml, which defines the collection's metadata and any dependencies. Then you have the playbooks directory, which is broken down into folders like files, tasks, templates, and variables, which help define and organize your automation logic. Next is the plugins folder, where you can extend Ansible's functionality, and inside you'll find custom modules such as Module 1 Python file and Module 2 Python file, along with lookups and filters. Below that is the roles folder, which contains reusable roles like role 1 and role 2, packaged for repeatable automation tasks. And finally, there's a test folder where you can include test cases or sample playbooks to validate your collection. Altogether, this structure helps make your automation clean, shareable, and ready for use across teams. Now, after learning how content collections are structured, I wanted to see what type of automation content was really out there. And that's when I stumbled upon Ansible Galaxy. Now, within Ansible Galaxy, I was able to explore community built-in roles and collections. And it was really perfect for me when it came to experimenting, prototyping, and learning from others within the community. But now that I'm starting to work within an enterprise environment, I need content that's certified, supported, and aligns with organizational policies. And that's why using Automation Hub is very important for me personally. The Automation Hub is Red Hat's official platform for enterprise automation. Every collection on it is tested, verified, and backed by support, so teams can rely on it to run in production without any surprises. It also helps organizations track what's being used, keeping everything up to date, and control which content is approved for use, especially when working across different teams or systems. For companies working at scale, the Automation Hub makes sure their automation is consistent, trusted, and aligned with internal policies. Now that I have a better understanding of how content collections are structured and why it matters in an enterprise environment, I wanted to take the initiative on building one myself. So within this last part, I'll walk you guys through how I created my own custom content collection from scratch, just to get comfortable with the process of doing it and seeing how everything all fits together. Ansible content collections are key to organizing and reusing your automation. Today, we'll dive straight into how you can build your very own custom collection covering crucial elements like naming and dependencies. First, we structure our collection, starting with a namespace folder like my org, and then our collection name, which includes our network tools. Our galaxy YAML file then defines its identity, where we set our namespace and name. Crucially, we also declare dependencies here. For instance, our collection will rely on the community.general collection for common tasks. Now within our collection, we can now add reusable roles. For this demo, we'll build a ping check role, placing its automation logic in the main YAML file located in the task directory. Now, while this example simply prints a message, remember, this is where your more complex automation would reside at. Once our collection is defined, we then install it using Ansible-Galaxy. This command is smart enough to automatically pull in our declared community.general dependency, ensuring all necessary components are instantly ready for use. Now that our collection is built and installed, let's see it in action inside of a playbook. Our network health check YAML playbook orchestrates this automation. Notice how we call our custom role using its fully qualified collection name, or FQCN. This precise naming convention is key to avoiding any conflicts. And to demonstrate our dependency in action, we'll add a task using a module from the community.general dependency, like creating this log file, showcasing seamless integration. Finally, using Ansible Navigator, we can run our playbook. You'll see our custom collections role execute in a task leveraging its dependency, successfully creating that log file, a perfect demonstration of the power of collections. Overall, I would say Ansible's content collections takes automation to the next level, and they overall just make your work reusable, scalable, and team ready. Creating my own first content collection helped everything finally click for me, and it made Ansible feel like a real developer toolkit. In next week's video, we're going to be even taking it further as we dive into Ansible's automation platform, where everything ties in together in a full enterprise automation experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week.